everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Ollama up and running on your machine from scratch. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and search for Ollama. The top result will lead you straight to the official site at ollama.com. Let's click that link, and right on the homepage, you'll see the setup command ready to go. This makes deploying incredibly simple. Go ahead and click the copy button to grab the script. Now we can minimize the browser window and bring up Spotlight Search by hitting Command plus Spacebar. Type in terminal, launch the app, and paste the command string we just grabbed. This triggers a standard curl request to fetch and execute the native installation shell script securely. Hit enter, and you'll see the installer immediately start downloading the necessary binaries. During this process, prompt you for your system password to authorize the background installation. Just type it in, press enter, and the deployment will move right along. Within a few moments, the prompt will change to read installation complete. You'll also notice a system notification letting you know that Ollama is now allowed to run as a native background service, which you can easily manage under your system login items later on. Exploring the desktop GUI and cloud integration. Once the backend engine is running, you can immediately execute standard Ollama commands or pull open source models straight from the command line. But Ollama also packages a fantastic, clean desktop utility. If you jump into your Applications folder, you'll find the native Ollama app icon. Let's click it to launch the graphical user interface. The GUI opens up into a highly polished, clean dashboard. When you look at the interface, the first thing you'll notice is the model selection panel. Ollama now categorizes its offerings into local open source weights and fully hosted cloud-based architectures. As you browse down the list, any model displaying a physical download icon can be pulled locally to run 100% offline right on your hardware. For this walkthrough, we are going to leverage one of their powerful cloud-managed options, specifically Minimax M2. The moment you select a cloud-hosted model, a secure prompt will appear explaining that you need to link a verified user account to execute cloud calls or manage your remote model permissions. Click the Sign In button, and it will immediately route you to the official authentication page, authenticating your device and running the first chat. To make things quick and painless, we'll use the Sign In with Google shortcut. Once authenticated, your account profile is instantly provisioned right there on the dashboard. Now all you have to do is pair the specific machine by clicking the Connect Device button. You'll get a confirmation pop-up stating device connected successfully, and we are completely good to go. Let's jump straight back into our chat interface. Our Minimax cloud model is pre-selected and ready to listen. Let's throw a classic baseline task edit to test the response latency. I'll type, write a simple C++ hello world program and hit enter. As you can see, the response stream is incredibly responsive. Not only does it instantly write out the syntax highlighted code block, but it also hooks into a detailed breakdown explaining exactly what every single header line and namespace operation is doing under the hood. Navigating the GUI shell itself is highly intuitive. Clicking the main Ollama menu item brings up your master settings and a clean exit toggle. Under the File menu, you can select New Chat to instantly wipe the slate clean, or click Show Sidebar to expand a historical timeline tracking all your previous conversation logs. Standard editing parameters are all centralized under the Edit tab, sourcing the model library via terminal and wrap-up. Now, if you want to pull a heavy open source model directly into your local workspace, the terminal remains your most powerful asset. Simply head back to your active terminal console and execute bash. Ollama run model name. If you aren't sure what specific names to use, you can locate the exact string mappings directly on the official web catalog. Head back to ollama.com. Click into the Models tab, and you can sort the entire open source ecosystem by popularity, or narrow your search down by specific parameters like context embeddings, vision processing, tools, or deep reasoning architectures. For instance, if you type straight into your address bar, it brings up the most heavily deployed mainstream projects on the planet. You can track massive open architectures like Meta's Llama 4, specialized developer tools like Qwen 3.5 Coder, or DeepSeek's reasoning models, checking exactly how many millions of times they've been pulled by the global tech community. And that is how you get Ollama fully set up on macOS. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more technical deep dives, and I will see you all in the very next video.